whenever we want to heal a particular aspect of a process, there is a method that you can use where you say, okay, I have this process that I'm going through, and am I being challenged in the beginning, the middle, or the end? And for this purpose, we're using the example of healing endings. And every time you want to heal either a beginning, a middle, or an end, you're going to reference the divine cosmic loop. Your body has a divine cosmic loop. You, Soul Rider, have a divine cosmic loop. Your teams have divine cosmic loops. And if we feel into the energy of where the ending is in the divine cosmic loop, it's the portion of your divine line that creates your divine cosmic loop as it reconnects with your spark in the heart of source. And so the very beginning of your divine cosmic loop is your spark, and the line of light that extends from your spark travels down through the top of the head, goes down either the front of the spine for the Soul Rider or through the divine line spine of the body. Then it goes out the base chakra, loops back up to the spark. And right before it reconnects with the spark, that's the end portion of your divine cosmic loop. And that's how we would heal ending energy. And for this energetic process, we're going to have the Soul Rider, the body, and the teams all healing that upper portion of the divine cosmic loop right before it reinserts back to the spark. We invite you to take a deep breath in, to pull your energy and awareness into your divine line. We invite you, Soul Rider, at the level of your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, and teams, to work with your energetic field, to reference the upper portion of your divine cosmic loops right before they reconnect, reinsert with your spark. With your spark, Soul Rider, with your body spark, with your team's sparks. It's that upper portion. And that line that connects back to the spark might be really, really thin, or it might be broken. Invite your higher self, body, Deva's higher self, and teams to all tend your own divine cosmic loops at the insertion point. That upper portion, reweaving, repairing, strengthening the upper portion of the divine cosmic loop as it reconnects with the spark in the heart of source. Body, Divine Nature, Spirit, use your higher self, your energetic fields to reweave those threads, reweave those lines. There you go. Balance the electrical and the magnetic energy in that portion and in the entire divine cosmic loop. Reestablishing a strong, potent connection with your spark. And for the body, Deva, it's the upper portion of the spark that travels actually up in front of the body. So it goes from its spark all the way down through the top of the head, down the spine, spinal cord, out the base chakra, perhaps up, perhaps down into the heart of earth, or perhaps your body has more of a galactic connection and it just loops straight back up in front of itself, back to its spark. And you, Soul Rider, are witnessing your body reweaving that upper portion of its divine cosmic loop. And just take a moment, relaxing your body. Soul Rider, be in a gentle mantra. Body, use your higher self, your energetic fields to repair that upper portion of your divine cosmic loop. Repair that upper portion of your divine cosmic loop where it reconnects with your spark. Repair that upper portion of your divine cosmic loop where it reconnects with your spark. There we go. Repair that upper portion of your divine cosmic loop. Using your higher self, your energetic fields, threads of light, colors, sounds, sacred geometry, energetic codes, repairing the upper portion of your divine cosmic loop. strengthening it, protecting it, harmonizing it, and then creating flow in your entire divine cosmic loop. And then breathe, balance and stabilize, update grids. So, Rider, you can witness yourself repairing your upper portion of your divine cosmic loop that actually exists behind you and above you. Repairing your upper portion of your divine cosmic loop where it reconnects with your spark. Inviting your teams, your guides, your advisors to all repair that upper portion of their divine cosmic loops where they reconnect with their sparks. Again, balance and stabilize, updating your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. Take a moment to let that integrate. The yawn is the reset of the central nervous system for perhaps a little bit more of a relaxed state of being. Also, too, if the body has had a tendency to have a desire to control, go to fear or anxiety, your body repairing its upper portion of its divine cosmic loop can have a tendency to neutralize or dissolve the desire to control, stress monkey, anxiety, fear. So take a moment right now and see if you can feel a slight shift vibrationally in your body